Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Calisar Tech. This is William, and today we're going to be talking about maximum, minimum, and count. So let's go ahead and get started here. The first thing we're going to do is talk about maximum. And what this will do is, let's say we have a data range. Now this one here is small, and you could probably eyeball it, but for a lot of people, if it's longer than this, you're going to want to use a formula so that it can find it more accurately. So you might want to find, hey, what's the minimum? So we can also go over that and then count, well, how many times have you paid your electric bill? I know for 1 year it's going to be 12, but let's say like it's an odd number like 18. Well, we're going to go ahead and go over how to count that up using a formula. So let's start with maximum. So with maximum, we're going to go down to max. I'm going to go down to the empty field next to maximum. I put it as max here. We're going to hit equals. We have max for max, and then parentheses. We're going to select B2 down to B13. We're going to close the parentheses, hit return, or tab, it doesn't matter. And look, there we go, it's 230. Now, some people who prefer just to use the keyboard, we can do that too. In this case, equals max, parentheses, B2, colon, B13, look at that, it selects the whole field, close it. Here we go, we hit tab there. And there's our 230. Well, now we know that the most we've paid is $230. But now we need to know, hey, what's the minimum we've paid? So we hit equals MIN. And then we're going to go ahead and open it. And select it again. Close it, hit tab or return, and 113 is the lowest amount. Once again, we want to use the keywords equals min, parentheses, B2, colon, B13, close it, tab or return. Now we're going to go ahead and count it, and this is just as easy as those two. Hit equals, count, open it, parentheses, select it, close it, tab or return, and it's 12. So again, if you want to use the keyboard, it's the same thing. Count, open, B2, colon, B13, close it, bam, there we go. So now we know that the maximum we paid is 230, the minimum we paid is 113, and there are a total of 12 months in our spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to encourage you to subscribe and click on the link below to view the blog. And you guys have a wonderful day.